Welcome to a world where technology meets affordability. We have handpicked the most incredible tech gadgets you can find on Amazon for under $50. Stay tuned for some jaw-dropping surprises. If you want to get rid of messy and untidy data cables, this MagTame data cable might be an ideal solution. Usually data cables take up a lot of space on your desk, in your bag, and other places. With this cable, you enjoy the revolutionary magnetic technology that ensures ease of use and prolonged durability. In this case, the USB-C charger cable will stay tidy and remain in a compact shape. It is easy to fold the cable into a round form and store in your pocket or bag. You can forget about mosquitoes when you use this flex-tail mosquito repeller. The device provides 360-degree protection when you are in nature and want to enjoy some adventure. The efficient dual-sided heated technology reaches an optimal 329 degrees Fahrenheit within 2 minutes. At the same time, the device weighs only 5.2 ounces and has a round shape that is practical and wearable. You will also find a camping light function that ensures up to 60 hours of brightness. When your other devices run out of power, you can use this repeller to charge them and prolong your outdoor adventure. On an outdoor adventure, you need a companion to help you have a more enjoyable time. The Gigapump 4.0 is what you need when you want to inflate your mattress, vacuum the items to save space, or get the lighting when you need it in the dark. This device is compact, weighs only 3.5 ounces, and is simple. It has a powerful air pump with a motor speed of 50,000 RPM, which is enough for everyday use. Additionally, 8 LED lamp beads ensure 3 levels of adjustable brightness. This 7-in-1 multi-tool is perfect for hikers, hunters, or real adventure lovers. The Gerber Gear lockdown tool can be a cross driver, pocket clip, 2-sided 1/4 inch bit driver, chisel edge, and many more. Moreover, it's made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. This tool is perfect for opening cans, bottles, and cutting ropes, and is a helpful option when you're on an outdoor adventure. The design is slim and foldable, so you can take it in a pocket and use it when needed. You can easily control this M-powered solar light and speaker with the help of your phone app, which makes you adjust colors, play music, set alarms, or create specific moods. At the same time, a 3000 mAh rechargeable battery will last up to 24 hours on a single charge. The charging is possible through the solar panel, and you will enjoy 220 lumens that emit 18 white and multicolor LEDs. Your day and night will be memorable with this device. This Night Buddy flashlight's great design and superior portability makes it unique. The flashlight has a 230-degree LED strip that enlightens the area vividly and helps you see in the dark. It's lightweight and it has 5 light modes to adjust to your needs. Furthermore, the flashlight has an on and off wave sensor that enables you to turn on and off the light with your hand. There is also a red light mode to turn the mosquitoes away at night. With this flashlight, you will have complete comfort and hands-free solutions. If you need a laptop backpack that is safe and comfortable, this Target Spruce backpack is the right choice. The backpack has a padded laptop compartment that protects the laptop from bumps, making it perfect for carrying and protecting it. You also find a dedicated tablet pocket, quick access pocket for everyday items, and a trolley strap. The materials used are exceptional, and you will experience comfort thanks to the breathable air mesh back and practical shoulder straps. In addition, the backpack is made from recycled materials, making it an innovative, eco-friendly solution. If you like the list, subscribe to our channel and click the like button. Now, let's find out more about the incredible tech gadgets under $50 on Amazon. This portable and lightweight small rig P20 phone cage is an excellent gadget for carrying around and making exciting photos and videos with your phone. It can be folded to only 7 inches, which makes it an ideal companion on the go. There are foldable handles on both sides that ensure stability and precision. Additionally, the product has a mechanical lock for secure use when you want to effectively use the device. You can use the phone mount that supports vertical and horizontal shooting, making this device extremely useful for recording fascinating scenery. The exciting design of the Gravistar Alpha 65 charger is unique on the market and beneficial. The charger has 3 ports for USB-C charging, which makes it ideal for your smartphones, watches, and other devices. This charger will charge your laptop in less than 2 hours, providing safety and functionality. Moreover, 3 charging points allow you to have optimal power output, simultaneously charging multiple devices at full speed. The compact and lightweight design will give you portability because you can easily fold the pieces together and carry this charger anywhere. If you need many tools in one product, this True Utility Sharky Bite multi-tool is the right choice. The device has 12 uses and can serve you in various situations. This product is everything from a bottle opener and flat driver to a box cutter and pry bar. At the same time, the tail end of the tool features medium Phillips, and the removable bit has small and large Phillips. These features make the tool extremely useful in everyday situations. You will enjoy the small size and great profitability that cannot be compared to other similar devices. This cam mechanism is perfect for locking and securing items. The Night Eyes webbing tensioner has a double locking cam mechanism for a customizable setup. It secures items with the buckle that can be placed anywhere along the webbing while providing excellent stability and safety. The buckle will work with any model of 1-inch webbing so that you can use it for cam locking mechanisms on any occasion. In addition, the load limit is 600 pounds, which makes the webbing mechanism extremely powerful. You'll get a product that is made of premium materials like zinc alloy, and that is die cast with a finish in nickel plate. This Tick Time Q Pomodoro timer is handy and practical in everyday use. You can set the time to count minutes by flipping it on the surface. 4 preset time countdown options exist, like 1, 3, 5, and 10 minutes. Simultaneously, depending on your needs, you can set the timer to be active after 15, 25, 45, or 60 minutes. When it comes to the Pomodoro mode, you can easily activate it by pressing the button on the number 5 side. The timer is ideal for daily activities like working, cooking, studying, etc. With this powerful Nightcore AP10 electric air pump, you can inflate or deflate airbeds, kayaks, vacuum bags, and other items. It is an ideal device when you go camping, hunting, or kayaking. You can charge the pump in just 2 hours via its USB-C port. Furthermore, this device can be easily used as a flashlight, making your outdoor experience more enjoyable. It has 3 brightness levels and has 2 special light modes, making it an ideal companion wherever you go. In times when you need protection from device tracking, hacking, spying, and chain of custody corruption, this Mission Darkness bag for phones may help you get the security you need. It successfully blocks radio signals, Wi-Fi, GPS, and cell signals, including 5G networks and Bluetooth. At the same time, the bag serves as a digital privacy protection in military and law investigations and government and executive travel. Moreover, the materials used in the production of the bag are exceptional, mainly because of the water-resistant ballistic nylon materials and the high-shielding Titan RF Faraday fabrics. You will enjoy your privacy and data protection with this unique phone bag. These were the incredible tech gadgets under $50 on Amazon. To stay updated on all our videos, hit the subscribe button below. We also want to hear from you. Write down in the comment section what do you think about this topic, and we'll be back with more content soon, so stay curious.